Using Requisition Wizard, you can update existing requisitions. Check the user guide link on the Setup tab to know the list of columns you can update. After applying required patches, you can update the following columns. But first you need to select the corresponding mode in the wizard. Update Requisition. You can then create a new sheet with this mode or click OK if you already have a tab with the corresponding template. Let's download a list of requisitions we want to update. Copy-paste a list of requisition numbers and use the second download option, download using sheet data. You can then clear the download criteria if you don't want to keep this list. To update your requisitions, you can then type new data in. You can also use the default values row to accelerate your data entry, for instance to put the header upload action or to default any other value. Columns marked with an asterisk here are the ones you can update. Let's update the need by date. First, clear the existing dates. You can then use the standard Excel functionality like the formula today to put the new value. Again, using the default values row to accelerate the data entry. Each section you want to update needs to have an upload action update. And finally, you can update the distribution section. If you do that, you need to put an upload action update on the corresponding column distribution action. When your dataset is ready, you have two options. You can validate the dataset only. For instance, highlight a few requisitions and then choose Validate Selected. The requisitions have been validated. We can now select a list of requisitions we want to validate and upload. You can upload all rows on this sheet or upload a selection previously highlighted. When you choose this option, the wizard starts with validation and then upload only valid records using Oracle APIs. The requisitions have been successfully updated. They have an accepted status. You can download those requisitions again to check those updates. We have a note to the approver, which has been added, and a new need by date. Thanks for watching this quick video on how to update requisitions.